everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whenever you're watching this. Welcome to ABCD Super Teacher. So, on ABCD Super Teacher, we always have someone who has gone over and beyond the call of duty. So, not just a teacher, but a super teacher. And today we have Misbah Ali with us. She's an educator, she's a storyteller, and she's the founder of EduSpring Academy. She specializes in teaching, creative writing, public speaking, and reading skills. She's trained numerous teachers, a featured storyteller at various literature festivals in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Misbah is on a journey to enlighten young minds and empower teachers in their educational path. So, Misbah's wish is to reach as many educators as possible, to share her strategies and tips to empower them in rekindling and transforming their classrooms. Well, Misbah, thank you so much for being with us on the ABCD show.
Welcome, Ms.
Thank
Ba.
you
It's
so
lovely to
much.
have you here with us. So, Ms. Ba, there's only one question that we want to ask you, and that is, what has your journey been in education, and how have you empowered so many educators?
So, ma'am, thank you so much for having me, inviting me. And before I begin with my own journey, I would like to thank Bela ma'am and Amrita ma'am for having me on this platform because it's actually a dream come true. You are calling me as a super teacher today, but I think y'all are super teachers, super women, helping others to upskill through your platform. You invited me here. That itself is a very, very big achievement for me today that I get this platform to share my journey with all of you. So, thank you once again, Amrita ma'am and Bela ma'am. Thank you for connecting with me. So, my journey starts back in the year 2007 when I started my career as a teacher. I started as a preschool teacher, and it's been 18 years now that I have been teaching, and I slowly moved on to training with the help of my co-teachers and a lot of support. And during this journey I realized that even if you call yourself as a teacher or a trainer, you're still in that position where you need a lot of empowerment. So I wouldn't say that I have empowered the educators. We all have empowered each other, and the breakthrough happened during COVID. Up from 2015, when I started EduSpring as my academy. Like initially, for 9 years, I was working with preschools and English institutes. I was teaching English as the main subject, and that is where I learned how public speaking and personality development modules matter, how we can help children. After that, in 2015, when I had my daughter, I was at home. I started as a home tutor. So suddenly I was working with so many schools and institutions, and I was suddenly at home then. So I became a home tutor. But then it never got me down. I never felt like, oh, I'm just a home tutor. I always felt that I am a tutor and still a teacher. So many girls, their mothers, their parents, I have taught I have taught children and adults on how to speak fluently in English and how to feel confident about yourself, whether you're a child, you're a mother, you're a parent, you're a tween, you're a teenager, or you are an educator. So while I was doing this as a home tutor in 2015, 16, and 17, I started with my first offline center where I live. Like I'm in Mumbai suburbs, in western suburbs. I started as a center. I collaborated with another preschool. I used to run my offline classes with them. And we used to do the same thing, public speaking, creative writing. And then COVID happened. Like for 2 years, I did that work. COVID happened, we all moved online. When I moved online, there were a lot of teachers who got connected with me, and I would see a lot of people like Amrita ma'am and Bela ma'am who would come online and empower others. And I wanted to do the same work, but I didn't know how to do it. So I was really, motivated looking at others, how they are sharing their own journey and work with teachers and empowering them. So I wanted to be on the same path, and somehow I met the right people, I would say, in my journey. and I felt this is what I want to do. I had so many phonics teachers, grammar teachers who were, impressed, and they liked my work. Impressed is too much. They liked my work, and they said, "Would you be able to teach us? How are you doing it?" And also, I do it with a lot of love and passion. I mean, as I said, even when I was a home tutor, I would never tell anyone that, "Oh, I'm a tuition teacher." I always said it with a spark that, "Oh, I'm a home tutor." So then I started sharing with them. A lot of teachers came on board. It started from there. When the teachers told me that, ma'am, you do something for us, Misbah, you do something for us, share it with us. So it slowly started with my friend circle of teachers. It spread with a word of mouth. I met the right people. They went ahead and told others that Misbah is doing these workshops online. So I started sharing everything that I was doing on my platform, my knowledge, my modules with the other teachers. And I would say the best thing about me or my programs is always I'm very open to sharing what my path is. And later you decide how you want to work on it, how you want to take it forward. And I'm always available. Like I'm a very approachable person. Whenever, even if the middle of the night I get a message, I'll make sure I reply in the morning that, okay, this is what you can do because this is what I love doing. So this is how the journey began. Today, there are so many educators I feel so blessed have got in touch with me for various programs we do with them. They sometimes I don't have a particular program on my platform, but they will encourage me that you are teaching creative writing to children. You make a module for us. We'll also come and learn from you. So this is how I plan my modules. We train them, and the best program so far we have done is upskilling the teachers on how you can go to the next level. Like if you're a teacher today, even you can become a trainer tomorrow, and it's easy. So I used to tell them a lot of things that I have done within my own journey. How did I encourage my own self to go from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and uncountable? Like, how did I take those steps? And it's not that I've never fallen. I have my own mentors and educators, who have helped me, motivated me that, okay, Misbah, this is okay. It's okay to fall, and then, you come back. So that is what I did for other educators. We helped them with their branding. So not professionally branding, but I tell them that these are the steps that I have taken to create EduSpring. You can do that too, and you can do that from your home. You don't need to invest lakhs of rupees in a professional space. So if you see my background, I'm still at home, and I do a lot of DIY work. I just create everything on my own. I have actually painted this wall. I have created everything. I got everything from Amazon, created stuff, and I said it looks very professional when you take classes in this way. So this is my space where I do my online classes or my training sessions. And this is how schools started inviting me. I went there also and spoke to a lot of educators how you can go to the next step, do trainings, and work with children. Collaborate is the key to success. I always tell them collaborate, work with people. Don't have this fear in your mind that मुझसे नहीं होगा. अरे मिसबा मैम, आप कर सकती हो. So I always tell them कोई मैम नहीं है यहाँ पे. Even I have given time. And one more, so I always say collaborate. And second thing is consistency. You'll have to wait for the results. You'll have to be there for some time, and you'll have to work hard. You'll automatically start achieving. So that's been my journey, like throughout
So,
these
Misbah, you've not
18
only
years.
touched one lives, but so many lives of teachers and educating and upskilling the teachers. So that's really very wonderful. And maybe that's why you deserve the Super Teacher Award as well for sharing your knowledge with all the other educators.
Thank you so much. I'm
Yes, super
really
teacher. I
excited.
think yes, you're touching lives of children and of teachers. So lovely.
So,
Thank
Misbah, I
you,
would
super
like to
teacher.
offer you an opportunity to why don't you do a course with the ABCD show, and we could do a course on how to upskill teachers on start their own businesses as an educator. So if you can highlight on what exactly you'll be covering in that, and maybe people can join us for that course.
I would love to do that. I would love to do that. How to start up as an educator is for anybody. Even if you're a homemaker today and you aspire to become a teacher, I mean, a lot of teachers today were homemakers before, and they have seen their own child's journey. and they have got motivated with how teachers work with children. So if you're somebody like that and want to start up and want to get an idea of how teachers work and how do you create an education brand, even if you're at home, I always tell teachers, work with passion, have a brand name. Don't just tell that I am just a tuition teacher. You are not just a tuition teacher. Even if you're teaching that one child, you're making difference in that child's life. So do it with a lot of pride.
Great.
So I do a lot of motivation in that workshop. I share my journey, and then we talk about the do's and don'ts, the facts about becoming a branded educator. Okay, so you don't need to have a huge team or something for it. You will start as a whole and sole proprietor, and I will give you tips and facts on how I did it, how other teachers are doing it, and how you will do it.
Amazing, amazing. So if you're interested in doing the course with Misbah, please write to us on the ABCD show 6 at gmail.com, and we'll be happy to have you on our show, on our platform to learn and educate yourself and upskill your basically education. So thank you so much, Misbah, and congratulations once
Yes.
again from the
Just
ABCD
one
show.
moment. Sorry, I'm interrupting. This course is going to be only 1.5 hours. It's a short course. It's at a very reasonable price. Bisma, what did you say you will charge the ABCD teachers, the ones who sign up?
Yes. So the amount that we have, it's only 299 teachers, and it's a 1.5 hour workshop. And whatever experiences I have, I will share it with you.
Also,
Amazing.
you get to know a little bit about how to register yourself, how do you make a logo, what are the
Yes.
things you need to look at. So, this is a step-by-step program, which
Yeah.
is
So
going to be
there are a
helping
lot
you
of
start out on your own.
So yeah, there are a lot of questions nowadays teachers have as an after school educator. They feel that do I need an ISO certificate? Do I need a trademark? Do I need a current account? Do I need a proper registration? Do I need any license for it? How do I register an offline center? Do I need any registration to start online academy? So all that we will be discussing.
Lovely. I think it's a steal deal. Thank you, Misbah, for offering this to us on the ABCD show for all our ABCD viewers. Thank you so much. Lovely
Thank
Thank you,
you so
Misbah.
having
much.
Bye-bye.
And thank you so much for this honor once again. ABCD show, Amrita ma'am and Bela ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye.